In this video we're gonna check what is the maximum zoom that we can get on Nothing Phone 3 Pro. So first we're gonna start with the photo mode. Over here we can zoom in all the way up to 60x, which is quite impressive. Of course the quality won't be that good, but the fact that we do have 60x is pretty nice. So now we're gonna go to the video mode. First we're gonna check 4K resolution, 30 FPS. So we're gonna press and hold the finger in order to zoom in, and the maximum zoom is 8x. In 1080p, 60 FPS, we have exactly the same maximum zoom, which is 8x. And in the case of 30 frames per second, this is the same case as well. So we have 8x maximum zoom for the video mode. And also in the photo mode, I'm gonna actually check the 50 megapixel camera as well, because I forgot about it. And in this case, we actually have two options, so we can either use 1x zoom or 3x zoom. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!